So when you're looking at REI reply, and when you first get into it, there are going to be a few things that you're going to do from the get-go, jumping into it, right? And this is if you are going to do this on your own rather than to have someone share their workflows with you. So we'll start here. I'm going to get myself off the screen here. This is the dashboard, but when you're first getting into it, you're going to have to go into the settings menu, and within the settings, and whoops, let me go back here. Within the settings, you're going to go to, let's see, my profile, I think is what I need to do. No, business info, whatever the default is. I think that's the default page. Now everything, luckily Go High Level allows you to switch to protection mode, because in YouTube, if I show you any of this information, they will automatically just eliminate this video from the site. So I'm taking it off there, but there are a few things here that you want to be able to change, and that is allow duplicate opportunities. If you just got REI reply, you're going to have to allow duplicate opportunities. The reason for this is when we're doing agent outreach, agents may bring you multiple properties. It's not like a seller. Usually a seller is only going to have one property. They're going to sell you that property and that's it. And the system is built for people who are selling one thing, where they have one client who is going to do one thing, one address, right? But we're going to deal with multiple address. So how do we deal with that? And so the thing to do is to allow duplicate opportunities. So you'll do that. And that is all you need to do in the settings. Now, I'm not going to tell you how to set up REI reply. In general, I'm only showing you the things that you need to do to make it work for agent outreach. And that is the first thing you'll need to do. From there, there's nothing else you need to do in the settings. From there, what needs to happen is you'll need to set up some automations. And we'll talk about that in the next video.